In this Math in Minute video, we are going to look at percent word problems. And usually in percent word problems, you're either trying to determine the amount, the total value, or the percentage. Also, when working with word problems, it's important to translate the English into math terms. So usually when you see the word is, that means equal. And if you see the word of, that means to multiply. So let's take a look at this first problem. What is 45% of 70? So we said is means equal. 45% we can write as 0.45, and of means to multiply, and 70. So we are trying to determine the amount. So I'm just going to label that in. So what is 0.45 times 70? So the amount is 31.5. So in this percent word problem, we are trying to find what the total value is. So it says 81 is 56% of what? Again, we're going to translate our English into math terms. 81 is means equal. 0.56 is the same thing as 56%. The word of means to multiply. And then our question is represented by the unknown n. So in order to get n by itself, we're going to divide both sides by 0.56. So this is going to be equal to 1. So we have 81 divided by 0.56 is equal to n. We get 144.6 is equal to n. So that's our total value for this equation. So now let's look at what percent of 126 is equal to 22. And in this, we're looking for the percent. So again, we're going to translate our English into math terms. So we're going to say what percent of means to multiply. And we have 126 equals 22. I'm going to change this to n, our unknown. So n percent times 126 is equal to 22. We want to get n by itself, so we're going to divide both sides by 126. So this is going to equal 1. So n is going to equal 22 over 126. And that is going to give us n equal to 0.174, and that can be written as 17.4%. So this is how we would get the percentage. So those are how you would determine what value is missing. You would be given two of the components, whether it's the amount, the total value, or the percent, and you would have to determine the other value.